Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be going over the reference documents feature within our AI Knowledge Hub. You can use reference documents to upload brand guidelines, internal research, product specifications, and more. When using Phrase's AI writing, it will reference these documents when generating content so your outputs are aligned with your source material. To get started, you're just going to head to the AI Knowledge Base tab, and then make sure you're under Reference Documents here. Then you'll click on New Reference Document, and it's going to give you a few options. You'll set the document title. You can choose to start a blank document and write it out from scratch, or upload a PDF, docx, txt, or CSV file. After that, you can choose whether or not you want to share this document with your team or keep it to yourself. Now, one thing to note is that each document can only be up to 6,000 words. Let's go ahead and upload a file here and name this. We'll then choose the file we want, and it'll bring us into it here so we can check on the content. Once this is done, you're ready to start using this content within the editor. To do that, you'll go to Documents and create any new document. Within this document, you can hit space to start writing with AI, and then you have the option to use the @ symbol to bring up that AI knowledge document. I'll go ahead and say, using this document, and we'll go ahead and process this now. So you'll see that it's going to pull in the document right here. It'll start to write, and now it's going to go ahead and just use that information to write the content within the editor. That's going to be it for using reference documents at this time. If you have any questions, please reach out to team@frase.io. Thanks.